Hi, I'm Miriam Atchison, the lead nurse for the Peninsula School District. We are excited to welcome more students back to school for in-person learning. Even though our local COVID-19 infection rates are falling and more people in our community are getting vaccinated, it is still critical that we continue to follow each of our safety protocols. These include wearing a mask, staying socially distanced from others, and completing a health check form each day before coming to school. Each student and staff member goes through a daily check-in process, which includes a temperature check and submitting a health check form. During this video, I'm going to review the process of completing the health check form, which is also called an attestation. The purpose of the attestation form is to confirm that your student is not experiencing any symptoms of COVID-19. I can't stress enough how important it is that you accurately complete this form each day your student comes to school. Do not send your student to school if any boxes are checked yes. If your student does not have a completed form and they are able to self-assess, they may complete the form themselves. Otherwise, we will contact a parent or guardian before your student is allowed to enter the school building. These forms are available on the district website and each school website. It's easy to download and print and complete at home, or you can also get a form at your student's school. Let's walk through the form together. It asks, does your student have any of the following symptoms within the last day that are not caused by another condition? Symptoms listed are a cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, a fever of 100.4 or higher, or chills, a sore throat, diarrhea, recent loss of taste or smell, muscle or body aches, nausea or vomiting, a congestion or a runny nose not related to seasonal allergies, fatigue or headache. Some individuals sick with COVID-19 have one or many of these symptoms. The form also asks 3 questions. First, it asks, has your student been in close contact with anyone with confirmed COVID-19? A close contact includes being within 6 feet of a confirmed case of COVID-19 for 15 minutes in a 24-hour period of time. Second, it asks, has your student had a positive COVID-19 test for active virus in the past 10 days, or are you awaiting results of a COVID-19 test? If your student is participating in the Peninsula School District testing program and are not symptomatic or a close contact, this question does not apply. The final question is, within the past 14 days, has a public health or medical professional told your student to self-monitor, self-isolate, or self-quarantine because of a concern about COVID-19 infection? Finally, the form requires a signature of the individual completing the form. If your student is capable of self-assessment, they may complete the form themselves. However, I would like to encourage you or another trusted adult in your family to check with them each day to discuss how they are feeling. Let them know their honest answers are vital to the safety of everyone at school. If you mark yes on any of the symptom boxes, your student should stay home from school. All students attending school on campus must have a completed form with them each day. If they forget or do not have a completed form with them, when they arrive and they are able to self-assess, a form will be provided for them. No student will be allowed into the school until a completed form is given to a staff member. What if I'm not sure how to assess my student's health? When talking with your student about their health, you can also consider, does your student look pale, appear tired or irritable? Has your student complained of having chills, a sore throat, or a headache? Sometimes the first clue to being sick is just feeling a little off. Another question is, what if I'm not sure my child is actually sick? Sometimes it is really hard to know. If you're unsure about whether or not to send your student to school, we strongly encourage you to contact your school nurse or health room staff. We can help you decide whether or not to send your student to school. Completing the attestation form accurately is a vital way to protect each other from spreading COVID-19 and allows our schools to be open for in-person learning. As I said earlier, attestation forms are just one component of our health and safety protocols. Others include performing daily temperature checks, staying 6 feet apart from others, washing hands or using hand sanitizer frequently, staying home when you are sick, and wearing a face covering. Each student and staff must wear a face covering while on school campus. Please refer to the CDC guidance, Your Guide to Masks, for the most up-to-date guidance for face coverings. The only way to safely reopen our schools is to make a collective commitment to these health and safety protocols. Together we can limit the spread of the virus in our Peninsula School District community. Also, now more than ever, it is critical that the contact and emergency contact information listed for your student is accurate in the parent portal. Please take a few moments today to check on this important detail. We need to be able to contact you if your student becomes sick or exposed to a virus while at school. Schools are a vital part of our community. Please do your part to support all students and staff during these challenging times. For more information about COVID-19, visit Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department.org/coronavirus or the CDC website. Thank you.